I want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All my Bitcoin targets have hit. As of right now, I am expecting some sort of rejection soon. I am looking for a rejection, possibly up here at 99K, almost exactly, right? I did tell you guys that I was bullish towards that 98, 99K area. We're basically hitting that now. You already broke 98.3, right? The high was 98.367, 98.367. I've been bullish ever since, right? I was basically bearish from right here, from March 11th, right? As soon as we hit the high of 72, I was bearish this whole way, right? And I was not bullish until this right here, until October 14th, the week of, right? Until we broke this to the upside, and I'm like, yep, after this, I'm officially bullish, right? I was bearish this whole time, and then boom, we broke this, bullish. And guess what? 68K all the way to 68 all the way to almost 100K. So every single one of my targets have been hitting, right? As of right now, like I said, I am expecting some sort of, I want to say, hard rejection from right here. So I do expect us to hit this this up channel up here and then drop to here, or possibly drop a little bit lower. If you end up actually breaking and creating again, I run this based off of the weekly candles, right? If you end up closing a candle like that, right, to the upside on the weekly, right, you end up closing a bullish candle like that, right, then I can almost guarantee that you're going to go to 106K before rejecting down lower, right? Again, this all depends on how you actually close these candles, right? So if you actually close like that, right, that I'm expecting a push all the way up to 106. If you hit the top of channel right here, right, and you close above up here, and then you come right, and then you reject, and you go like this, right? Like that, right? Then I am expecting us to, after this happens, either come back down and retest 90K and then push up, right? Or come back and retest this 82K, right? After we come back and we either retest and bounce from here or bounce from here, I can come back and run some TA. But right now, I can almost guarantee you guys that we are definitely headed to the top of that channel. And my guess is we're going to touch either 99.081 this week or next week, or we're going to touch 99K, right? But at some point, we're going to touch either this week or next week 99K. That's just where we're headed, right? Like I said, I can almost guarantee you guys we're going to $99,000, right? And we either hard reject from here and go down to 90K or 82K, right? Or you reject and bounce, you reject all the way down here and bounce. I don't know. We'll see what happens when we come back down here if you end up breaking above this trend, then we're going to 106K. But again, all my Bitcoin targets hit. I am expecting some sort of rejection from 99K, right? If you don't reject and you actually close above this trend, then I'm looking for 106K. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.